section. First I am styling the section course, and here I am using padding top 1 rem and padding bottom 2 rem. Okay, it gives a padding. Then we will start from this our popular courses. Okay, that is we have written using H2 as course H2. Then we want the margin top 1.2 rem, then margin bottom 1.2 rem, then font size 2 rem, text decoration, underline and text underline position under. Okay, we have designed. Then we will design these buttons. We have given a class name to that buttons, that is sorting menu. Then I want margin bottom 20 pixel. Okay, it gives the margin bottom. Then I want to apply the filter button, sorting menu dot filter button. Filter button background color I use transparent, border none, then color as 727695, padding 0, margin right 20 pixel and font weight bold. You can write either bold or 600. Okay, you can see that it look like it has applied the styles. Okay, and you can see that here the color get changed. That we will apply that dot sorting menu dot filter button hover. When you hover your mouse, the color will get changed to as F7 F00, and I don't want any border none, then outline none. What happened? See, you can see that it color get changed. Now we will comes to this gallery image. Okay, the gallery image, which class name? This is the your each column name. Okay, each column, to design each column you are using this gallery images. Copy dot. Then what I want simply padding top 2 rem. See, you can see that there is no padding. Okay, and I am using padding bottom 2 rem. See, you can see the padding. Now before that there is no padding, now it has added the padding. Okay. Then we will fix this gap. Okay. Dot card img. The width we will make 100%. See, the gap is over. Then what I want, that I want to apply the transition. Then what I can write, transition 0.5 second is. See what transition I want, you can see that here once I mouse over the image, it a little bit zoom and rotate. That transition I want. Then I have applied the transition. Then when I want, when I mouse hover on the mouse, then what I can write, dot card image hover. Then what I open, transform scale 1.5, rotate 5 degree. Okay, you can see that, but it comes out of the card. To avoid this, what I have to use here, overflow hidden. Okay, once I use overflow hidden, what happened? Okay, I just use dot card dot inner overflow hidden. Okay, I remove this line. Okay, now you can see that there is no overflow. Okay, means this part also we have completed. But if you don't know what is, what is all and what is this, then in each and every mail I am giving you the link where you can read. Suppose here CSS, then here you have to search for animation. Okay, in animation, see, like whenever you are writing in some cases I have used this one, alternate, reverse. Means alternate reverse is what, the animation is played backward first. Alternate is what, the animation played forward first then backwards. Like here I have used ease. Ease means specify an animation with a slow start, then first, then end slowly. Okay, that's why when it start it is slow, then first, then end slowly. Like if you use ease in, specify animation with a slow start, linear, the whole will be for the 0.5 second, that will be linear. Okay, from here you can use whichever speed curve you want for the animation. Then the fill mode for an animation, forward, backward. Forward means the element will retain the style value that is set by the last keyframe. Like your animation timing, like how much second you want. I have used 0.5 second. Okay, if you use 5 second, okay, you can now see that is. Okay, it starts slow, then speed, then end slow. Okay, but I don't need this much of slow, that's why I am using 0.5 second. That's why it look like this. Okay, you can read more about animation transition here. Then what I want to design this part. Okay, then this is dot card body. You can see here card body. Then in card body, paragraph. Paragraph what I want, font size 1 rem. Then font weight, I want to make it light, that's why I am using 400. Then your title, dot card body H5. Then here I want font size 1.4 rem and your font weight bold. See, okay, it changed. Then this is like almost over. Only thing we have to apply the jQuery. Okay, that when I click the button, that particular card will get displayed. Then go to the index.html page. This whole thing I can minimize. Okay, then script. Okay, I can write for fetching the images according to their categories. Okay, to start I have to use document dot ready function. Then okay, I have a filter button class name, that's why I just use dollar dot filter button. Okay, once you click on that button, means once you click on any particular button, then by using this class I will get that value, means which button you are clicking. That's why here I have to use click, and remember that this C will be small, else it will not work. Then function, once you click I am going to write how I am going to get the first, I will get the value, that's a value equal to dollar this which one you are clicking dot attribute which value I need, data filter, because based on data filter only I am going to filter the data. Then whatever which button you are clicking, that data filter value will store in this particular variable. If this value equal to all, okay, if that is all, then dollar dot filter dot show. Okay, see dot filter is here. Dot filter is a class, here this is the filter button and dot filter is a class. Let me complete it, then I will show you. Like here also you have to learn the jQuery This also I am giving in every mail. I am providing this link, like here, jQuery filters. Okay, first we get the value, then we are using the filter function. Here also same thing. Okay, else dollar dot filter dot not dot plus value dot hide and the same thing, but here filter so okay, then this function close here, then if dollar dot filter button dot remove class active, then dollar this dot remove class active, else dollar this dot add class active. We have completed the jQuery. Let me see. Okay, why it is not working? Let me see what I have done. First I have ready function, filter button, then click function, then we get the value attribute data filter, then if the value equal to all, I can use all like this. If the value equal to all, then dollar filter dot show, else dollar filter dot not plus value hide, dollar filter dot filter plus value dot show, then if dollar dot filter button dot remove class active, then dollar this dot remove class active, dollar this dot add class active. Okay, I have not done anything wrong, but why it is not working? Okay, filter button, here filter button, filter button, okay, I just copy from there. these are the filter button. Okay, data filter, this is the filter button, and here I have the filter button. And here also filter button. Then filter, everywhere I have used the filter. Just a minute, we will see that what happened. Okay, filter we have used. And okay, just 1 minute. CSS index, I just copy this part and paste it here. Okay, and we will see that. Okay, that might be some comma full stop problem. Okay, now you can see that when I click all, it's getting all the 6 card. When I click data science, it is getting only data science. When I click data analytics, it is showing only data analytics. Then machine learning, big data. Okay, based on your selection. We have completed this course part. Then we will see this part, our top instructor. Okay, this script is over. Now we don't want to add any more script, that's why I just minimize this. And here course. Okay, minimize. Then here after this course, our team. Okay. Then first of all I have to create a section and give the section ID equal to team. Then I have to create a container, div class container. Why container? Because I don't want to occupy the complete screen. Okay, complete window size.